Ever wanted to collect data from the web automatically? Imagine pulling all the latest news articles or tracking prices of products without lifting a finger. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a Python web scraper that does exactly that. And don't worry, no programming experience is required. Let's get started. You know those times when you need a ton of information, but copying and pasting is just too much work? Imagine a tool that gathers all that data for you in seconds. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have built that exact tool. A web scraper using Python. First things first, you'll need Python installed. If you don't have it yet, head over to python.org, download it, and set it up. I'll wait here. Just kidding. Pause me if you need to. Once that's ready, we're also going to install two essential libraries: requests to pull data from web pages, and BeautifulSoup to parse the information we want. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. All right, open up your command prompt or terminal, and let's get those libraries. Type in pip install requests and pip install BeautifulSoup 4. These libraries are like our web scraper's toolbox. They'll handle the hard parts, so we can focus on getting the info we need. Before we dive into the code, let's quickly talk about how web scraping works. Think of a website as a big library, with each page being a different section. Our web scraper's job is to find the exact book or piece of data we want to pull out. Today, our script will visit a page, find the data we're interested in, and bring it back to us in a nice, organized format. Now the fun part, coding. Open up your Python editor of choice, and let's start with the basics. We'll first import the requests and BeautifulSoup libraries. Next, let's pick a website to scrape. For this example, let's say we're collecting headlines from a news website. We'll specify the URL we want to scrape and use requests to access the page. After that, we create a BeautifulSoup object to make it easier to pull out specific pieces of information. Think of BeautifulSoup as the librarian who helps you locate the exact book you're looking for. Now we're ready to extract some data. Every website is structured a bit differently, so here's where you'll need to do some detective work. I'll show you how to use the inspect element tool in your browser to locate HTML tags that contain the data we want. Let's say the headlines are stored under the tag. Here's how we'd extract those in our script. Time to test it out. Run the code and see if we're getting those headlines printed in our console. Look at that. In just a few lines of code, we've built a tool that can pull data straight from a website. Imagine what you could do with this power, from collecting product prices to monitoring trends. All right, A few quick tips. First, always respect a website's robots. TXT file. It's a way for websites to say what they do and don't allow to be scraped. Second, start small. Pick one type of data, like headlines, and then expand as you get comfortable. And if you want to go further, try saving your data to a CSV file so it's organized and easy to work with later. There you have it. A simple, yet powerful Python web scraper. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new tutorials. Happy coding, and go build something amazing.